Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create this beautiful multi-layered donut chart with respective percentage progress in Microsoft Excel. Simply typing a new percentage, the circular progress bar gets changed and adopts the new corresponding percentage. So let's dive into the video to see how it's done. First, let me explain the data over here. You can see we have 4 tasks that needs to be done. And in our column B, this is the percentage of each task that has been completed so far, and the column C indicates that this is the progress that needs to be made so that the whole tasks should be completed in time. So we can easily calculate the overall task. Type is equal sum tab, and let's highlight all these percentages like this, close the bracket and divide it by 4. Press enter. And there we go. And same is the case over here. Now this percentage to be done depends on completion progress. So we can write is equal 1 minus the percentage of completion. Press enter and there we go. Now simply drag it down to copy the formula to the rest of the cells. Now we are going to insert a donut chart. Simply go to insert tab. In the chart group, donut chart, go to chart design, and here you can see we have this option select data. Click over it. Now over here we have to enter legend entries. Now click on add series name. Now the series name is task 1. Series value, so these are the values that corresponds to completion as well as the task to be done. Now click OK. Let's add the task 2 as well. Again, series name is task 2. Again, in the series values we have to enter completion as well as the task to be done percentages. Click on OK. In a similar fashion we have to add the task 3 as well as task 4. So here you can see in the legend entries I have added all the tasks. Now if you look at the graph, you can see the highest completion percentage has been shown inside the chart. That is this particular one, while the task 4 where the least progress has been made is shown towards the periphery. This is not what we want. We want to reverse the order, which can be easily done right over here. So I'm going to click on task 1 and I will move it down to the position of task 4. Similarly, I would move task 2, and likewise I have to change the position of task 3 as well, and now we are good to go. You can see now they are in reverse order. So simply click on OK and there you go. Now click on the chart and right click, go to format data series, and here you can see we can actually change the donut hole size, and I'm gonna change it so that it looks easy to follow, and I think this 39% is good enough. So I would click outside and there we are. Now simply go over here and click on this task 1, double click, then go to format option, and from the fill simply choose this gray, light gray color, and there we go. Now again double click on the next circle and apply same light gray color. It must be noted that this orange color, which we are going to change into light gray color, corresponds to the tasks to be done. That is the progress that needs to be made. So again I would click and I would fill it with light gray color. Now we can also change the color of the other part of the circle that corresponds to the portion of the task that has been completed. So simply I'm gonna click on this task 1. I would go to format option and I'm going to choose this dark blue color. Again choose the other one, shape fill. I'm gonna choose this one, dark teal. Similarly choose the third one, and this time we are going to choose dark teal accent 1. Finally we'll choose this one and let's dark teal accent 1 lighter 6. So there we are. Now we need to insert percentages right over here. For that I will go to insert tab and I'm going to choose this text box. Simply click over here in the formula bar, simply write is equal and choose the completion percentage of task 1. Press enter and there we go. Now let me change its color to dark teal. Let me remove its outline. Now let's make a few more copy by pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl V right over here, and let's change their percentages to 80, 70 and 60. Now we can simply move these percentages right over here, but you can see there is a background, so we can remove the background of this text box. Simply go to shape format, fill, no fill. Now simply put it right over here Similarly, we can move this to the next position, and likewise we can do for the rest. Now, in order to indicate overall progress, we can go to insert and insert a shape right into the middle of our chart. And I have selected this oval and I'm gonna draw it right into the middle like this. Hold the shift key so that you have a right proportion of the oval. Place it in the middle, and I'm gonna change its color to gray without any outline. Now click over here, go to shape effects. In the shadows, simply select this particular option, and there we go. Now right click over here and click on edit text. Go to formula bar is equal, click on this overall and press enter, and there we go. Go to home, click on center align and middle align. Let me increase its size a little bit, and there we are. Now remove this legend at the bottom like this. It got disturbed a little bit, no problem, you can adjust it again. Now I'm going to change the ribbon to a full mode like this. Let me increase its size. I'm going to change the completion from 90 to 100%, and let's see what happens. 10, press enter, and there you can see. Let's repeat for the task 2 as well. I'm going to change it to 100, and there you go. And same is true for the rest. And you can see when 100% of the task is done, we get this particular chart. And if you change one of these, for example, I'm going to put it at simply 10%, enter, and there we go. So in this way you can create this beautiful multi-layered donut chart in Microsoft Excel. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.